Hey, Miss Amy, how's it going? This is video journal number 11, and you asked us to read the articles located in Module 4 on defamation. And you want us to talk about why would defamation become an issue to someone working in audio, video, or TV, radio broadcasting? Be specific. You can give an example of a scenario. Defamation would be specifically detrimental to anybody working in the aforementioned industries because they are public figures. They traffic publicly, whether it be over the radio waves or TV stations. The market that they appeal to is going to be directly affected by any public opinion, anything the public has heard about them. And so if it's factual, it really matters. If it seeks to defame them, then that's directly, literally going to affect their well-being and their economic welfare. And an example of defamation that comes to my mind was the University of Virginia fraternity members that were called out by Rolling Stone. They were called out, they were implicated um, in basically allegations of like rape, and I think that it just made news that they were they were allowed to sue the Rolling Stone magazine, as I understand it. And so that's pretty relevant. That's pretty relevant. I mean, some of those young men, maybe they have, maybe they're pursuing education and a career in one of those industries. You know what I mean? They definitely have a stake in setting the record straight about what their history is and what the content of their character is. So I'll conclude this one there. Thanks, Miss Amy.